Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm back with another plug. I'm back with a chat writer position, and it is 100% remote and available worldwide. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So this is how the website looks like, and they're looking for remote chat writers, and they are going to pay you up to 20 cents in euros per message. So they have a 4-step application process. The first step will just to start your application, you'll just fill a form that will require your name, your email, and there is no need for a CV. And the second step will be ID check. They will have to verify your ID to check if you are 18 years old and above. And then the third step will be training. So once you've shown them their ID and met your coach, you'll go through some training. Once you're done with the training, then you will get to start working and earn money. So as a chat writer, you will answer flirty messages in an anonymous setting. So they're definitely not going to know you, know your details, know your name. So you are going to be 100% anonymous. So you're going to be paid for every message you send. It's roughly up to 20 cents in euros per message. And you're going to receive your earnings every week. It's going to be a weekly payment, and you are going to complete a brief training course before you begin. You also need to prove that you are at least 18 years old. So this is how it works. So your job is to reply to messages on adult flirting sites. You are going to be paid for each message you answer. There's no limit on how many you can answer. You can work as much or as little as you want, and from anywhere using your computer or mobile phone. So the application is very quick. You're done in less than a day. You could start earning money next week already. I said, don't worry, if you haven't done this before, they will definitely train you and you can start right away. So here are the benefits. You are going to be working from home, and there's weekly payout. You work whenever you want and wherever you want, so in the comfort of your own home. So they open 24 hours a day, so you can choose whether you want to work during the day or at night. So it's very much flexible, and then you're going to be paid up to 20 cents in euros per message you send. So this is what you'll be chatting about. It will be a conversation from daily life and dreams to something a bit more cheeky. So say this position is basically excellent and fit for those who enjoy role playing or open to new experiences. So if you're someone who enjoys role playing and you are open to new experiences, then this is an opportunity for you. You can try it out. If it doesn't work for you, you can just leave it. You have nothing to lose. So, what is the salary? So, your earnings will depend on the number of messages you answer. So, the higher the number of messages, the higher the pay. So, there's also opportunities for bonuses such as sending high volume messages or working during special times like bank holidays. So, if you're going to work during their holidays or also send more messages, you're going to get some sort of like an incentive, probably a token of appreciation. So this is how the payments work. The first question says, when do I get paid? So you're going to be paid weekly. They say most operators see their money in their account by end of every work week. And then second question says, in what currency will I get paid? So you are definitely going to be paid in euros, but they say they have like an online payment provider that will convert it into pound sterling if you prefer. And last question says, how will I get paid? So you are going to get paid either to your bank account or through selected online payment providers. And here are the general requirements, and you need to meet all five. So you need to at least be 18 years old. You need to be fluent in written British English. You must have your own computer or tablet or mobile phone. You must be willing to work with adult content, and you need to use your own device and internet. So if you're happy with the requirements and you're willing to do this, you can go ahead and click on apply now. So here are some reviews from the chat radars. So down here, there's three questions asked, and the first one says, can I work when I want? Yes, you can work whenever you want. You are your own boss and decide yourself how much you want to work. So the hours are pretty much flexible. You work whenever you want and wherever you want. So second one says, is it possible to work from anywhere? Answer, yes, as long as your internet connection is good enough. Your rate per message will stay the same, so it might even be attractive to work from abroad. So, and then the third one says, can I work from any device? Answer says, as long as you have an internet connection, you can work from any device you wish and are comfortable with. So you can use any device as long as you're comfortable with. That's it from me, guys. Go ahead and apply, but if this one doesn't work for you, do share it with the next person. And thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this far. And please help us grow by liking, commenting, and sharing these videos. I will see you on the next one. Bye.